Welcome to Security Trust Company, an administrator of self-directed retirement plans. There are different companies that can assist you with setting up a self-directed retirement plan, but Security Trust Company provides a level of service that is unmatched within the industry. There are internet setup companies that will create the framework for self-directed investing, and there are custodians that will hold title to your assets, but you will experience a lengthy review process, or they will hand you a checkbook and you will be left to invest without any additional assistance. Security Trust Company takes a different approach to self-directed retirement plans. At STC, we review each and every transaction for compliance while still funding the investment the same business day it is requested. When it comes to complex transactions, you can contact me directly to ensure that your transaction is compliant prior to investing. Also, we utilize an LLC structure that simplifies real estate transactions, allows for pooling of funds with relatives, and additional asset protection for your IRA.
As a client of Security Trust Company, we will handle the setup of your self-directed IRA LLC account. This includes setting up the custodial account, establishing the LLC with your state of choice, creating the LLC operating agreement, and applying for the employee identification number. At the same time we're setting up the self-directed custodial account, we'll also be setting up the LLC in your state of choice. Security Trust Company maintains the custodial relationship. We will assist the clients with the paperwork for distributions, contributions, transfers, rollovers, and all custodial transactions. The types of custodial accounts include, but are not limited to, traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and SEP IRAs. Security Trust Company will ensure the LLC is in good standings with the state if a filing is required with that state. We will also maintain books and records for the LLC and take care of all end-of-year reporting to the custodian for the LLC.
Security Trust Company offers each client personalized service. Our standard is gold level service every day transaction. We will review transactions with you to ask questions to verify that you're not dealing with a disqualified party or investing in a prohibited asset. You have the option to call and discuss your transactions with us prior to making a commitment. You may be concerned that this will cause slow processing times, but that is not the case. We process your investment the same day. Security Trust offers an inclusive fee schedule for all standard delivery options. This includes checks sent regular mail or the electronic ACH option. You work with the same person when you call in, therefore they will be familiar with you and your investments. If you ever do receive voicemail during business hours, you'll receive a return call the same day, usually within an hour.
Security Trust Company has created what I believe is the most flexible vehicle for active and sophisticated investors who are seeking to self-direct the investment of some or all of their retirement plan assets. We have found that using a limited liability company to hold our clients' in retirement planned assets accomplishes two important objectives. First, the limited liability company provides an additional layer of protection from liability in the event that the client's investment results in a claim for damages. Sadly, anyone can file a lawsuit, and active investors are often targets. Secondly, the LLC facilitates the titling of assets, which is especially useful if the client plans to effect multiple transactions or purchase assets in partnership with other investors. Another important aspect of Security Trust services to our clients is our willingness to help them construct compliant transactions, especially when multiple parties are involved. While it's possible, for example, for an individual to co-invest personally with his retirement account, the individual must be very careful in both the timing and the structure of this type of transaction, or it will become prohibited and could result in a substantial penalty. The bottom line for us at Security Trust is we're here to help you. We're here to help you in any way that we can, from structuring your transactions to making sure that they're compliant with IRS and ERISA guidelines.